Hey, here's a little question for you. You've been painting all day and you're going to continue some more tomorrow or maybe after lunch break, etc. What do you do with your paint roller in the meantime? Most of you probably wrap it up in plastic, and that would look something like this. You get you a piece of plastic, get it and wrap it up. You try and make it as airtight as you can. You come back, and if you come back tomorrow, a lot of times it's let enough air in, the ends are dried or something, and then you got this really messy plastic to deal with, and it just kind of gets all over. I came up with a better solution. Let me clean my hands and I'll show you. So I came up with this right here. It's called the RollFresh. Basically, you take this cap and this cap goes on and it twists and locks, and it's on pretty tight. It's almost waterproof. I've tested it. You can turn it upside down, it barely leaks. So you take that, and if you really don't want to touch that, you get this easy pop to go along with it. You just put it over it like this, stick it over the roller, and that's dripping water because I just did another video and got it all wet pretending to wash it in the sink. Normally your paint wouldn't be dripping water like that, but you put it over here, put this on here and just give it a little push or a tap, and actually hold it right here for leverage. And it goes in there, and that's tapered right there. So let me just drop this in the bucket. Then, of course, I got wet, drippy paint for this. I'm trying to do a lot of videos here. You put the lid back on. It will stay dry for even a week. I've tested it. It stays nice and moist in there. And if you want it to last even longer, put a few drops of water in there, because I've got this little X on the bottom. It holds the paint roller up out of it. It won't get all wet and drippy like mine is. And when you go to take it out, you just stick your paint roller in there, lock it into the your paint roller frame, lock it into the paint roller. You're ready to go again. I've had customers tell me they've painted for several days on their house using the same color paint, of course. And each night they just put it in this, stored it, and it worked perfectly. You can pick this up at thatkiltedguystore.com, or even easier, toolfuse.com. That's F-U-Z-E. I also have that Easy Pop, and I have the Spin Clean, which has been in some of my videos. If you want to pick this up, when you're done, you put this in the paint roller, spin it in a bucket of water, which is what I've been doing here. And in less than 30 seconds, like 20 to 30 seconds, it comes out clean. You barely have to touch it. You don't have to get your hands in there, get them all covered in paint, trying to wash them off in the sink. Way faster, way easier. And you can pick this up at toolfuse.com also. There's a lot of other good stuff there that might help you out with your project. Now, if you got a really good way of doing it, you might not need this, but I created this for me actually, and then I thought you guys might benefit from it too. Hey, if that helps you out and you like these kind of videos, I'll see you on the next video, because you'll probably click subscribe, but if you do, that's fine. I've got 330,000 subscribers, so I'm not trying to build a subscriber base, but I like helping you guys, so I hope I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.